All right, Mrs. Larkin, steady breaths. We're going with the full tree this time.
Oh, mercy. I'm trusting you, dear.
Big swing, and here we go.
Sweet heavens. That's the straightest
Glad
I've
to
ever...
hear. All right, big breath in for me. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Oh, my word.
The table's done. Hang on, let me get you up.
Did it work?
I think so.
All right, Mr. Lewis, hold still. Gonna open that thoracic up.
Just do what you gotta do, Doc.
Here we go.
Hey!
One more. Holy smokes!
Feels brand new.
Nice and easy. The cart's rolling right along the lats here. Let me know if it feels too heavy.
Good kind of pressure.
Yep.
Keep it coming.
I'm just going to rock it a little to open that low back up.
Oh, wow, that not